Hey guys, my name is Diana Muzashova. Let's do unpacking of this hair dryer. My honest review to this hair dryer. Firstly is of course its design. It looks very stylish, very luxury, very beautiful. What we have there? Here is button, turn on and turn off. Then we have speed button. And here we have temperature settings. It's very light, it's very light, so it makes me easy to hold it. And it's super quiet, so you can just turn on this. And you can hear me, it's super quiet. You can just dry your hair and speak. It's even quieter than Dyson. And it have additional diffuser, which is magnetic. I highly recommend this stylish, beautiful, light hair dryer.